The project's actually started because the laneways were quite dismal to walk through, and it was just really an opportunity also to bring the community together, so our neighbours just coming together and working together in a space. The art part of the project really sprung up because we could see these lovely blank canvases that just needed a bit of extra work. It just found another dimension with COVID, and we were very lucky with council being so quick and proactive with what they did with the grant, because we'd really got to the stage where we'd exhausted our own funds as neighbours. We were a very small community group, so we were worried maybe we'd be able to get no support at all. This grant came along, and then just so quickly we were able to get the product that we needed, which are the blue boards. We could cut up, prep, they could take home, they could paint, and then the artwork just unfolded through COVID. There were a couple of hundred pieces. Now, through COVID, with the grant, we could get to 2,000 or so pieces, and maybe 800 to 900 people's contributions. It's a huge chunk of the community that have been able to engage in something when we were locked away, looking for purpose. So the children write us little fairy notes, and they write them to the Laneway fairy. Generally within about 12 hours, they can check in the box for an envelope with their name on it, and they'll find a reply from the fairies. It's lovely. Every one of these tiles has a story. So there are people who are expressing their loss, their isolation, their joy at people coming together. They were just looking for purpose. So this was a really nice way to give people a little bit of purpose during a time that was tricky for them. Yeah, it was lovely.